So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to code what I covered in my last maths video. That is integration by parts. So, if you click on the right, I would probably write it something like this. So I've got the u equals sine x, dv equals cos x dx, then du is cos x dx, and v equals sine x. Then by integration by parts, I then work it out using the same steps I used in my maths video. So I'd like to talk to you a bit through the code on the left and what I did generally here. So using the integration by parts formula, which I've stated here, which I guess if you wanted to, you could have stated actually in more detail rather than just saying this. You could have said here what the formula is, like integral of u dv is uv minus integral of v du. But so I begin by isolating my two terms, my u and my dv. Then I get my du and my v. From that, by differentiating this and integrating that. The integration by parts formula, I substitute in the sine times sine for the u and the v, minus integral sine cos x dx, which is just v du, which is the same as this, so I add it to both sides, it's going to be 2 times the integral, dividing through by 2 gives me this, but with the plus c that I put on the end. So here, I've been using the backslash jot to give extra space. Actually, come to notice now I'm looking through here, I've actually forgotten my backslash jot after this line, which explains why it looks a bit weird on the right, with no gap between these two lines, but a big gap between these two. So I'll sort that out, there you go. And we've got the integral, I've used the integral command, and then space around here, so it's very similar to code to what I covered in my integration by parts video. So I guess this was more of a show how I would write this in an assignment. But anyway, that was how to code integration by parts in LaTeX. Thank you.